Scold. The teacher scolded the students for being late. Scrub. She scrubbed the floor until it was spotless. Scream. He screamed in fear when he saw the snake. Salute. The soldiers saluted their commander. Save. He saved enough money to buy a new phone. Save up. She saved up for her dream vacation. Score. The player scored a goal in the final minute. Scratch. The cat scratched the furniture. Scrape. He scraped the ice off the windshield. Select. He selected the best answer on the test. Search. He searched the room for his lost keys. Sail. They sailed across the ocean. Swim. She swam in the pool for an hour. Shout. He shouted for help when he got stuck. Splash. The kids splashed water at each other. Scoop. She scooped some ice cream into a bowl. Sink. The ship sank after hitting an iceberg. Suck. The baby sucked on his thumb. Scoop out. She scooped out the kiwi with a spoon. Say. She said goodbye before leaving. Sun. He sunned himself on the beach. Strike. The workers struck for better wages. Shade. The tree shaded them from the sun. Smoke. He smoked a cigarette outside. Skip. She skipped lunch to finish her work. Spread. He spread butter on the toast. Share. They shared their food with the homeless. Sob. She sobbed after hearing the bad news. Scare. The loud noise scared the children. Send. He sent an email to his boss. Send back. The customer sent back the damaged product. Send off. They sent off their friend at the airport. Sell. He sold his old car. Sell out. The tickets sold out within minutes. Set about. He set about cleaning the house. Set off. They set off on their journey early in the morning. Shear. The farmer sheared the sheep. Shine. The sun shone brightly in the sky. Shock. The news shocked everyone. Seal. He sealed the envelope before mailing it. Sign. She signed the contract. Shop. They shopped for groceries. Show. He showed me his new watch. Show off. He showed off his new car. Show up. She showed up late to the party. Shake. He shook the bottle before opening it. Serve. The waiter served the food. Sit. She sat on the bench. Sit down. He sat down after a long walk. Separate. They separated the two fighting kids. Sharpen. He sharpened his pencil. Sew. She sewed a dress for herself. Sit back. He sat back and relaxed. Shift. His mood shifted from hopeful to sad after hearing the news. Soak. He soaked his feet in warm water.